Catalytic converters are like the referee of your car's exhaust system, catching the nasties before they hit the air. But after 50,000 miles or so, they get bogged down, and suddenly your car feels like it's running through wet cement. This is where something like Oxicat Catalytic Converter Cleaner gets plastered all over car forums, TikTok, and that one uncle who thinks everything can be fixed with a $20 spray or powder. The claim? Pour it in your tank, drive, and watch the magic. There's a reason people chase this stuff down. When your check engine light tells you about catalyst efficiency below threshold, thanks P420 code, you brace yourself for a $1,200 replacement. You'll try anything, even snake oil. Oxicat isn't snake oil, though, not entirely. It's a fuel additive, so there's no crawling under your car, no gloves soaked in WD-40. You pour in the bottle, usually when your tank is between half and 3/4 full. Simple. The logic is, as the cleaner runs through, it binds to and dissolves carbon and unburned fuel residues. The claim, because numbers matter, is up to a 15% improvement in emissions. That's the sort of promise that'll get you to click Add to Cart at 2 a.m. You drive as usual, ideally with a good chunk of highway in your trip. The real kicker, it needs heat to work. The catalytic converter doesn't really wake up until it's hot, so a 30-minute highway drive is your friend here. People want instant results. Spoiler, it doesn't work that way. You won't see your check engine light flicker off like it's got commitment issues. Usually you have to reset it with an OBD2 reader, then cross your fingers on the next drive cycle. A lot of pain points with catalytic converters are stubborn misfires, loss of power, rough idles, or that metallic rattle. Oxicat can sometimes soften those edges, especially if it's gunky deposits and not a melted down brick of metal inside there. Here's a pro tip. Using Oxicat as preventive maintenance every 3,000 to 5,000 miles can stretch out the life of your catalytic converter, especially if you live in a city like Portland, where short, cold trips are the norm and carbon builds up fast. A big caveat, if your catalytic converter has a physical break, like a honeycomb that's collapsed, then no amount of liquid cleaning is going to revive it. At that point, you're basically using mouthwash on a chipped tooth. For the data junkies, this doesn't mean you can ignore basic maintenance. Dirty plugs, burning oil, or worn sensors will undo everything Oxicat tries to fix. Think of it as the floss, not the whole dental cleaning. I've seen cases where emissions test numbers dropped by 20% after a bottle, but I've also seen people spend $30 and get zero results. Sometimes you win, sometimes the car gods laugh. Either way, it's usually the cheapest shot you have before opening your wallet wide. The best part is giving yourself hope, one $20 bottle versus a hefty invoice. And in the world of cars, hope is usually in short supply and high demand.